Martin Luther King Jr., the biography for kids. Martin Luther King Jr. was born on January 15, 1929, in Atlanta, Georgia, in a house filled with love. His parents, Alberta and Martin Sr., taught him to be kind to everyone. Even as a child, Martin noticed the world was not fair. Some people were treated differently because of their skin color. One day, Martin's best friend stopped playing with him. The boy's father said they could not be friends because Martin was black. Heartbroken, Martin ran home to his mother. She told him he was just as important as anyone else. At church, Martin sang in the choir and listened to his father preach. He learned that love and justice were powerful. He promised himself that one day he would help change the world. Martin worked hard in school and loved to read. He wanted to understand the world so he could make it better. When he was older, he studied to become a minister, just like his father. Martin saw people fighting against unfair rules, but not with fists or weapons. They used peaceful protests. He believed in nonviolence and decided to lead with love, not hate. One day, Rosa Parks was arrested for not giving up her seat on a bus. Martin and others decided to stand up for her. For over a year, Black people in Montgomery refused to ride the buses. In the end, they won. Martin led marches and gave speeches across the country. He spoke about dreams of a better future. People of all races joined him, believing that change was possible. In Washington, D.C., Martin stood before a huge crowd. "I have a dream," he said, his voice full of hope. He dreamed of a world where children of all colors could live together in peace. Not everyone agreed with Martin. Some people wanted to stop him from speaking out, but he never gave up, even when it was dangerous. One day, Martin's life was taken too soon. He was assassinated on April 4th, 1968, in Memphis, Tennessee. People all over the world cried for him, but his dream did not die. His words and his love still inspire people today. Martin's birthday became a national holiday. Schools and cities honor his work for peace and justice. His dream lives on in every heart that believes in fairness for all. Martin believed that love is stronger than hate. He knew that kindness could change the world. If you stand up for what is right, you are helping keep Martin's dream alive.
Thank you for diving into this incredible journey with us. If you enjoyed this tale, subscribe to my channel and visit my Amazon author page, where you'll find more captivating stories of remarkable individuals who have shaped our world. Together, let's continue exploring and celebrating greatness.